Go Woodworks features fresh tables, chairs, mirrors, bowls, boxes, and personal decor of all different sizes. The famous custom home, office remodeler, and purveyor of handcrafted home collections, consisting of reclaimed wood products, has opened a mini showroom at Crafted at the Port of Los Angeles in San Pedro, providing a rather unique vibe and enhancement to the rockin' group of vendors at the handcrafted marketplace. According to owner and master craftsman Van Schwartzman, Van Gogh's value-based original works have been shopped and awed by local residents for years, along with celebrities of all sorts around and outside the peninsula and South Bay. Now a growing number of retailers and e-commerce companies are enabling access globally. Van Gogh is also a 2014 Ion Award winner for handcrafted products. Congratulations! Would you or would you not? Go to Crafted and find out, or visit vangowoodworks.com.